you have the ISO management approach: plan, do, check, and act. I understand as well that there are some templates available within Playbook that people can download if they complete an assessment. Can you explain that to us?
If you go into the leadership, it gives a very good example. So that one of the PDCA chapters is leadership. And here we can see that we do leverage more than just the management system standard. Here we're leveraging two ISO standards, 37,000 and 37,004, to establish a leadership. But to have a look at the practices, essentially applying those standards in practice for the purposes of using and implementing IFRS S1 and S2, you can see that we apply the standards towards management and governance directives. If we have a look at one of the governance directives, it's establishing a sustainability reporting governance framework. And it's here that we are enabling the downloads of templates on completion of assessments.
So you download the template. Do you get it free? Do you have to do something to get that template? What do you have to do to download?
It's not free. We believe that you need to work for this information and work for the ease of the template. So we ask questions, we assess your understanding and your use of the template. So it doesn't just get downloaded and left on your desktop.